prince has seen a wife, there is no need wasting my time working on this palace.
So you mean you came to work here because you want the prince to notice you?
Did I speak with water in my mouth? I mean, how can beautiful ladies like us be working here and the eldest son went out, got a wife and was crowned a king? Okay, now, the second son that we're all hoping on is disappointing us. Can't you see it?
Well, I didn't come here because of Prince to marry me. You're on your own. You should have told the prince that you wanted him to marry you. Right?
I think Uche is right. Are we not beautiful enough to be seen and noticed? The fact that we are working in this palace does not mean we are slaves or anything. But then again, he has the right to make his choice, so Uche, don't even bother.
Did you say I shouldn't bother? I will bother. I have to bother. Because the queen will always tell her daughter, the princess, to watch her age and think of marriage. And so will my mother always say to me. See, I'm not sure any man will see us here to ask us out, not to talk of proposing to us. No man will see us here. And I've learned so many things from the queen. The marriage is very, very important. At least, let me have my own child now. See, old age is not something you should joke with. I know that all this Indomie generation will say, who married help? Who married help? But they are product of marriage.
I think every woman has a time. When the time comes, it will happen.
You believe every woman has a time. When it comes, it will happen. Not when you're locked in here. As if you're in the prison. You can't even go out to showcase yourself, to show your curves. All these things you're carrying. And your beauty. Is it in here that people will come and notice you? Nobody will see you. There is no time. So ladies, let's start thinking. Just look at our faces now. Look at your face. Look at my face. Either have wrinkles everywhere.
But you can still showcase yourself here in the palace now. Because we have some guests coming in here. So you can do it.
Which guests?
Which guests?
Those ugly things.
Sister, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. Are you okay?
I'm just tired. I need to rest my head.
Oh, is that so? It's okay. Chioma, someone came to look for you. Yes, so he said his name is Obinna. Obinna. The late king's second son.
Oh! Wait. How did he get here?
My sister, I don't know. I was sleeping inside and then heard a car horn. I came outside and guess who I saw? Prince Obinna. I was stunned. Hey!
Though he called me. He called me today, but I wasn't hearing what he was saying. And I've taken that nonsense phone to the repairer.
That's not nonsense phone.
So what did you tell me?
I told him that you were not around. And then he said the same thing, that he called you but wasn't hearing you clearly. One name, he gave me this for you. He gave me this for you.
For me? What is inside?
my package. Open it and tell me what's inside.
That's a phone! A phone! Jesus! No. He gave me a phone!
Then why not pass that
I don't know why it's complaining now.
It's smoking low.
The other phone will be gone.
Yeah, back. Come on, open it. Let me see. Chineke. Open it.
Hey, beautiful, how are you? Good evening.
I also saw the gift you gave her for me, the surprise gift, the phone.
Do you like it?
You say like, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you too. I'm happy that you like it. Listen. I got you the phone because you need it. But I also want you to know that I don't want you to see me as a good-looking prince who has a lot of money to just, throw around. I want you to see me as a man who wants to become your husband. When I was buying that phone, in my mind, I was buying my wife a phone. I know that this is a bit strange, but I like to be direct. When I see something I want, I don't beat about the bush, Chama. I go for it. I want you as my woman. I'm not here to date. I'm here for real. I want something real with you, but are you there? Good. You know that you're an adult and you have the right of choice.
Boss, I told you I'm still in school, sir.
And I know. Because I have done my findings and I understand that you're still schooling, but that's not a problem. I'm willing to see you through school. But what I'm saying is that I'd like for you to take some time to yourself and think about this proposition.
Marriage. Can't it wait? Maybe after I've graduated, then we can start talking about marriage.
Like I said, you're an adult. It's your choice to make. If you choose to finish school first, and if I choose to wait, then it's fine.
Okay, sir. I will think about it. Thank you very much for this. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Good night.
At first sight, she is so beautiful. At first sight, she's so charming. What a dasula, and when even in
Are you okay? What kind of condition is that? This is a prince we are talking about here. A man who has seen different types and classes of girls, yet chose you over them. Alana Apoge, are you mad?
So because he's a prince, I should now throw myself on him. Just enter into marriage like that with him because he's a prince. Because I have self-respect.
Really? No problem. But first thing tomorrow morning, make sure you return the phone he gifted you. Yes, he is not Father Christmas. He does not throw money around to have gotten you a brand new phone. What kind of question was that? If you can finish with your education before marriage, on whose expense, madam? Upon what barrow am I now?
Maka, leave me alone. Just leave me alone. What is it now? But you heard me tell him to give me time to think about it. Let me think about it. I won't just jump into marriage with someone because he's a priest. After I'm a woman, I have the right to do small shakara. Do guy. I was on my own when he came to ask me out. Kwamaka Biko. Let me think about it like I said.
Listen, Chioma. I am not disputing the fact that you are a woman and need to do small shakara. But, ne, you have to start sounding nice from now. Yes. In case you don't know, let me tell you. There are women out there. When I say women, not your class. Fabote botai buezi. Yes, when they come out and you are a pig. This is women who has seen the world. Women that has traveled around the world. They are hovering around him and waiting for the slightest opportunity to jump in. You follow this opportunity.
Choma, your sister Maka was very right. I mean, what will make you tell the prince that you want to think about it? Huh? Or have you started mingling with all those school boyfriends that have nothing to offer except that in between their legs?
Angie, stop it. Who is talking about school boyfriend? Please, so I don't have time for those people. Who then help? Although they are disturbing me, they follow me around school like bees that have seen honeycomb. But me, I don't have their time.
Why won't they follow you? Why won't they follow you? What is making you not to give the prince a green light? Don't you know that guy is loaded? That guy has so much money. He will take care of your academics. He will take care of your welfare. Even take care of your family. Think about it now. All I want is a good life for you.
It's not like I don't know. I know all these things. But my problem is, I don't want to be pregnant and then go to school with it. See, I've seen others that are pregnant and then struggling with school and all that. It's not motivating at all. And I don't want to see myself in such situation.
What are you talking about?
I have told him to be patient. At least let me finish school. After school, then we can marry. But the answer he's giving me is not good. So I don't know what to do.
Then give yourself a good answer. Haven't you seen career women that are going to school and yet they're pregnant? Yes, they're going to school. Even in your department. You can count how many of them that are married that are in school now. What is wrong with being pregnant and going to school? I
am not saying that. Njide, my problem is I don't want to struggle like that. It's distracting. I won't focus on school. Do you know how it is? You're pregnant and then you're going to school with it. It's not a funny thing. At least let him, if he really loves me, he should be patient. After school, then we can marry. It's that simple.
I understand. But there's no big deal. There's nothing wrong with it. You can still be pregnant and go to school now.
I've heard you.
I will even be helping you. I will help you.
Thank you. Helper of life.
Like I said, think about what I told you. Think about what I told you. I want every good thing. All I want is your well-being now.
When I've heard you, I will think about it.
Like I said, think about it though. Think about it. You know me, I will always tell you the truth.
Njide, I've heard you, the truth say ya.
Ngwano, alawagom. Kodi Kayafro.
Bye-bye. Maybe I'll come later and see you in the evening. Stop it. Don't go be telling everybody in the village.
Sorry? You're forgetting something. The woman you've seen and chosen, you promised to bring her to me. So I have been waiting.
You had to go there, Mom.
Of course.
I'm on it, Mom. I'm on it. You know women, you approach them differently. So with this fine lady, I'm making sure that I cross my T's and dot my I's, if you know what I mean.
Of course.
You know, yeah. So I'll bring her, but I'm working on it, convincing her, making her comfortable with me and around me. It's some work, but I'm doing it. You meet her soon.
Okay, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting to see her.
It's fine. By the way, Mom, I was going to ask you, who made the meal?
The meal?
It was terrible. It was nothing to write home about.
Really?
Oh yes.
How?
It was terrible. Some of the spice was on. Look, it was. I don't know what to say.
I'm sorry about that.
It is terrible. And what is most appalling is that the maidens in charge of cooking, they're all grown ladies. Very soon they'll get married and go to start up their families. Is this the kind of meal they make for their husbands? It's not nice. Mom, please look into it.
Sure.
I
know.
There's no spice. No sadro kuna didn't. It's really
sorry.
not nice.
I'm so sorry about
If you basically cut onions, I cut onions. So it's. You have to talk to these girls.
I will.
I pay attention to food. I love food.
I know.
So when it's bad, I can tell.
Don't worry.
I'm a very good cook.
I'm sorry.
It's just like giving my position, I cannot. Mom, let's leave it. Let me take care of a few things.
Okay.
I believe you can handle it.
Sure, I'll make the next meal.
No problem.
I'm sorry about that.
Mr. Badro, let me take care of it.
Okay. And a grown-up woman went into the royal kitchen and made such useless pot of soup. After all the money I brought to make sure the soup is late. Okay.
Your Highness.
I asked you to be in charge of that soup. And you left it for who?
Your Highness, the king sent me on an errand. Then I asked Uche to cook the soup. I'm surprised hearing that the soup wasn't cooked well. And Uche has been the best among all of us, Your Highness.
So, Uche, you are the one that made that rubbish. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? What made you to stop putting the adequate spices you are supposed to put in the soup?
Your Highness, I'm so sorry.
You are sorry. You are sorry that you made my son to eat rubbish that made him start spitting like a pregnant woman. Now I want you to go in there. Bring that pot. I want to watch you eat all of it. Get out. Get out!
My God.
Bunch of idiots.
I know Uche did that thing intentionally. She told me she hates the prince now and can even poison him if care is not taken.
Why?
That the prince left all of us here, went and fell in love with another woman. I never knew she was serious about that.
This is serious. Don't worry. I will go and talk to her. Either she resign or change her mind. Must the prince choose a wife from the maidens? In fact, I'm going to confront her immediately.
You will not die in Jesus' name.
Hi! Life has really dealt with me. Wana atozikwana majaja Chineke. Wana atozikwana majaja
Mama.
God.
Nem.
Please come to my rescue. Zopotanum, Zopotam. Hey.
Don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to my father. He will be fine. Oh?
Yes. He will be fine. So how do we do it? How do we make him fine? I need somebody to talk to me.
Mama, let me go and check on Brother Namdi again. Maybe he's back now. So he can help us carry Papa to the hospital.
Chuma, please be fast about it. Eh?
You can come in and
okay, be fast. Nam. Nabo. Mokike, you are a strong man. I know you will be fine. Oh, Mama, can you please stop this? See, when Chema comes back with Brother Namdi, you will have to remain at home and make food for Papa, while I and Chioma goes to the hospital with him. Oh, please don't cry when we are away, Biko. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I can see that you don't recognize me.
Your face looks familiar, but I can't remember. It
is fine, Mama. My name is Obinna. I am the young man who was sitting with Polo, the mechanic. One afternoon you came to his place and he was...
Exactly.
You were talking about selling
a mechanic workshop.
Yes, and I was asking about your daughter Choma.
Exactly.
Yes, you remember me now.
No, come on. No,
Dalo.
You're welcome.
You came. It is fine. It is fine. Thank you. I'm actually here to see Choma. Because I had gone to Paul's place and he told me that I had not seen Choma. So I decided to come and find out what is going on. I got concerned. I hope you don't mind.
No. There's no problem. You did well. You're welcome.
Yeah, but where is she?
Mom, my husband has been having health issues. So he was just taken to the hospital this morning by Chioma and her sister.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry to hear this. Madam, I know how distraught you are, but I want you to know that you have to be hopeful. As long as your husband still has life, he would live, he will survive. Please. What is the nature of the illness, if you don't mind me asking?
Mom, he was a transporter. He had an accident with his lorry last year. And it got his spinal cord damaged.
Oh.
Yeah, and he's also diabetic. And they said he requires an operation for him to walk again. And most of the times, that spinal cord always give him problem, make him ache. That's why we normally rush into the hospital each time the pains arises. Yes. What I say for one?
I understand. What hospital was he taken to?
St. Philemon Hospital at Okechukwu Junction.
I think I know where it is. I've heard of that hospital before. But take it easy. Things will be fine. Take it easy.
The doctor should see him first and prescribe the drugs that will be given to him. And I hope you people came with money for deposit.
Nurse, you should be talking about saving a man's life and not money. We need to see the doctor so he can attend to him. My father needs medical attention, not you talking about money.
Calm down. The doctor will attend to him. Has he eaten? Should he be needing an injection?
Nurse, food is not the problem. We are talking of my father here. I can go get him food right now if it is food. Please do something. I don't want anything to happen to my father. Please.
At least talk to the doctor now. Talk to him. This is an emergency.
Choma. Yeah, what is going on? Have you seen the doctor?
No, that's what we're telling the nurse to go and call him, but she said he's busy.
Okay, but have they started treatment of any kind?
Nothing. They've not done anything.
Nurse, why? Why have you not started attending to my in-law? What's the problem?
I'm sorry, sir. The doctor has an emergency, but he will still be true.
I see. Choma, take it easy. I was just at your place and your mom told me everything that happened and that's why I'm here. We'll find a solution, all right? I know that you're worried, but don't panic. Actually, what your father needs is surgery for him to walk again. But I have it under control. I'll make a few calls to make that happen, okay? Please, cheer up. Stop crying. But can I at least see him, nurse?
Of course I can.
Let me take it to you.
Papa, how are you?
Is the doctor not coming to see me?
The nurse said he's coming soon, but he's busy at the moment attending to a patient in the theater.
But this my backbone is giving me very serious issues. Very serious issues.
Yes, nurse, I was just asking after you, please. The man is in pain.
So sorry.
Yeah. Is that all? No, that's not possible. You have to help him. How long does he have to be in this condition before somebody helps him? Even if the doctor is not here, at least the doctor should be able to tell somebody what to do. He's in pain. Do something, please.
Sir, I already told them to make a deposit, and they have not.
How much is this deposit?
Amaka, did your mother not give you any money?
Papa, she did not give me any money. She said she's coming.
Oh, well, I'll make a deposit.
Fine then.
I can make a transfer, right?
Of course.
So, can I have the details?
Of course. One of them should come with me.
Oh, yes, she'll go with you.
Thank you very much.
It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Papa, don't worry, you'll be fine. Eh?
Thank you very much. You are giving me hope again. Thank you.
You're welcome. When he's discharged and taken back to the house, try not to take him to another hospital, please. We need to begin to make plans on how to prepare him for surgery.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you. That is exactly what other doctors told me. But I don't have enough money to help myself.
It is okay. We're here for you.
I have already told them to put my lorry on sale so that I can raise some money to get my life back. This sickness has already dealt with me.
Papa, relax. You will not sell your lorry. Let's stop talking about that. You need that lorry when you get back on your feet. I'll see to it that your medical bills are taken care of and that you're fine again.
Not giving me the hope to live again.
It's fine.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ndo. The doctor will soon come for you. He is almost done in the theater. Huh? Ndo.
Bianne, who is that young man that deposited that money?
Papa, he is the late Igwe's son. In fact, he is your son-in-law today. He wants to marry Chioma, my sister. Like he is so much in a hurry to marry her. But Chima is talking nonsense. Telling him that she wants to finish with her education first before marriage. Which I've shunned her off. I told her not to lose that guy. Because good things does not come often. He
has tried. At least he has given me hope. He has given me hope. If Chioma likes him, let her accept him. But if not, nobody should force her because it is a traditional issue.
I just try to be strong.
But from what I see here, she likes him. She likes him.
She likes him. And I hope they end up as husband and wife.
Baba?
I'm not fine. I think so.
No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Am I correct? Let's not forget. I spoke with your mom. You understand? I told her that she has to raise money for her surgery because the more it stays here, I have to be admitted, the more detrimental it will be. You know if you understand.
Doctor.
Yes.
We are trying to gather up the money.
Okay.
And from the way things are going now, it will not exceed next year.
Next what?
Next year, doctor.
Not next week. Not next month. Next year. No. This wasn't what we discussed. It means you guys are not prepared for this. That's what you are telling me now. Once you are not prepared, there will be every need for me to see your mom. Yes. Just get that for me. Call your mom.
Okay, doctor.
Let her see me immediately.
Okay, doctor.
Yes.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Yes.
Chama, I want you to calm down, okay? Your daddy will be fine. I will do the best that I can for him. We're here now. I'll ensure that the doctors give him preferential treatment. As long as I am involved, they will give him the best. So calm down. But I called you out here because I need to speak with you about something. I don't want you to think that I'm doing the best for your father because I'm trying to woo you. No. I'm doing the best that I can for him because he's a human being. He's a man like me and he needs help. Even though I got into this situation through you, but I'm just being human. I'm just being myself. This is me. I know that I like you a lot, but I don't want you to see me as a rich prince who has money to throw around and who's trying to woo you because he wants you so bad. No. I want you, Chama, but I've also given you the right to choose. I'll be happy if at the end of the day you choose me to be the man that you want to be with for the rest of your life, even while you still have your education going. I'll be happy. But most importantly, at your quiet time when you think of you first. Think of how you feel truthfully about me. Think about your love for me. Huh?
You are an angel.
Am I? Thank you.
You never bother me. Rather you always tell me the truth about life. And I appreciate that about you. And you have captivated my heart. And I am in love with you.
I love you too, Shoma. Thank you.
Big bro, you said you're traveling. When you've not brought the girl you've been talking about all this while. I mean, the girl you said you want to marry. Mother is getting tired already, and you know how she can be.
Yeah, I know. I guess that this one is my fault. I should have at least briefed you, since we have an understanding. Actually, she's been having a lot of family challenges. I know I never mentioned to you, but her father was hospitalized.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, it was that serious. So she's been shuttling between the hospital and the house, taking care of him. It even affected her lectures. She stopped going to school for some time. So, it's been a lot happening. But, she'll come around soon.
Lectures?
Yeah, lectures.
Is she an undergraduate?
Oh, yes, she is.
My goodness. Big bro, don't tell me you're ready to start training someone in school.
Wow. I did not set out to train someone in school, but you see, sometimes life happens. And when life happens, you make adjustments to accommodate other people. I like her a lot. As a matter of fact, she has my heart. What do I do? Do I stop my plans for her now?
No. I didn't say so. If you love her that much, we'll support you. What?
And then the beautiful one calls. Hello? Yes. I'm fine. How are you? Okay. Tomorrow, that would be nice. Of course I'm happy. Aren't you happy? I'm happy. Yes. I'll see you tomorrow then. Alright. Bye. So there you have it. She'll be here tomorrow.
My goodness, are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, let me go and tell mother about it.
No, you cannot do that.
Why?
Oh no, come on. Let her visit be a surprise to Mom. That way it's more colorful, don't you think so?
Okay, if you say so, it's fine.
I'm going to bed. Let me dance. Yeah? Wago. Chocho. Are you not going with me today? This one you are dressed like this.
But Mama, I told you now. I told you Sister Maka will be going with you. I'm going somewhere and I said it yesterday night. Besides, Mama, you have to start cooking small. Start cooking small, the ones you can manage to sell on your own. Because we've started school and we won't be available to always help you. Except Ikechukwu is coming back from Uncle's place, which I doubt.
I have told you to call that young man that helped me in the hospital so that I can thank him for the one he did. And you haven't told me anything. Just tell him that your father wants to see him. How can someone take up all the hospital bill and there's no appreciation, no thank you? Or you call him on phone,
Papa, don't worry, I will tell him. He will come and see you before he travels. Besides, I've thanked him, but I will still tell him to come and see you before he travels. Mama, because don't worry, Sister Maka will follow you. Sister Maka, please follow Mama now. Don't worry, when I come back, I will gist you.
Gist me?
If you don't go, I will not gist you what happened.
So you want to bribe me now with gist? You want to bribe me? Mama, I have told you severally to go and bring Uzoma, your brother's daughter, who is doing nothing at home. Go and bring her so that she will be helping you with this business. Papa here is sick and needs help. Madam Chioma will soon be going back to school. And you know I am not always around. So Uzoma's availability in this house will be of great assistance to us, especially you, Neme business. After all, she has told me with confidence that she wants to leave her father's house.
Ikusigo, have you finished? If you must know, I don't need Uzoma. Yes, she's too lazy. Having Uzoma in this house is as good as having nobody. Jide Choba.
Then manager.
Exactly.
Manager.
It's better than nothing. Don't worry, on my way going, I'll see them. I will see her and her brother. See if they will come and help you. At least it's better let somebody help you in the kitchen before before you collapse in the kitchen. Sister Maka, follow her now.
Fine, I've heard you. I'm going.
Please.
Mama, wait, let me bring my purse.
Mama, let me finish it so I can start doing.
Come back early, for not confirm.
I will come back. Thank you.
Yes.
I will gist you.
This one is too much.
Mama, you... Mama, you need it more. Oh, make her go.
Oh.
Mama, Helman.
Not a point so.
Bye-bye, no. I'll come back early. Sister Maka, if you come back, I'll gist you.
Bye-bye.
Look at my queen, the prince's wife. This one, you're well dressed.
Chrisobina asked me to come to the palace, so you introduce me to his mother and sister.
Are you serious? So, you're going there now?
That's where I'm going to.
When I was telling you to give Ubina a chance, you were telling me I don't want. But now you have fallen for him like a fallen breast.
You
see, what I told you told me I don't want until I finish school. My father is bedridden and my mother is running around in the house. Nobody is helping her. Now, it's not this Obina that is making you feel like this. You would have been there. All these village champions would have come and taken that guy away from you.
I had to sit up. Hi. Prince Obina is a nice man. Hi. That guy busy boom mad. Do you know what he said?
What?
Hi.
What?
His words melted my heart.
What did he say now?
He said, Chioma, I'm not gonna force you.
Gonna.
Chenu. Chioma, I'm not gonna force you. Just follow your heart.
Hey!
And I said, that was when my eye opened. I said, I will sit here and all these girls will take this guy away from me. I had to sit up and grab what belongs to me.
Yes.
That is not even the story. Do you know he came to the hospital? He paid my father's bills. Everything to the last kobo.
Are you serious?
He sent money for my school fees. Paid for my accommodations. Paid for everything, handouts, everything that has to do with my school. Hey, Obokwasia, Njideka, he paid for both Amaka, my sister.
Hey!
Nima, I have never seen such a thing in my life. In fact, that guy is God sent. That guy was specially sent to my life.
I agree
and
with you.
You think I would just sit down? No, I've accepted now.
I agree with you.
That's why I'm looking like this.
Show me, my
Am I looking
friend.
good?
You're looking good. You're looking like a queen. Choma, I'm jealous of you. That guy is nice. Oh, that Prince Obina is nice. You just have to respect and treat him well. Don't joke with him, oh. Don't joke with him. People like him are rare to come by.
Njide, your advice is no longer needed because I'm wise now. You see, don't joke with. I can never joke with him. In fact, I will worship him. I will adore him. I will love him. I will do everything a woman has to do to keep him. Hey, not anymore.
Choma, you know these things you mentioned, you will cook, you will do this, you will worship him. There's one important thing you didn't mention.
What is that?
The other one now.
Which one?
That you will give it to him very well. Yes, now.
You're not well. Which one is give it to you? Come and help me give him now.
No,
we're not doing that kind of thing.
On a serious note, if you give me the opportunity, I will come and help you. I'll come and do it very well. I will teach you self.
I know Miyuku. What did you say?
I will come and help
Let
you.
me not catch you near my Obi now. Let me not even catch anything that looks like you around my Obi now. Don't try it, Ejikwe Miyachi.
Hell.
See me here. Name is Nandema.
I'm happy for you. You're looking good. Hell,
the cloth is not too long. It's not too short, Abi.
But now
it's not too long.
Put that your chest.
Let me go. Let me go before he goes. He's going out.
God, when will I see my Obina? I want somebody like Prince Obina.
Not Obina. Prince Obina. Not my own Obina.
Choma, bye-bye. Hell, look at how fine she is. I'm happy for her.
So I want you to know that you're like a father to me. So whatever it is that I have done for you, by the virtue of you being my father-in-law to be, I see it as me doing it for my father. Right? You'll be fine. Okay? Things will not continue this way. You'll be fine. You'll be well taken care of. I'll see to that. So I was going to ask you, do you have an international passport?
No.
Okay, it's not a problem. I have a friend that works with the immigration. I will call him up so that we can take you to their office and then we put together an international passport for you. I'd like to fly you abroad so that you can get proper treatment.
Thank you.
Yes, Papa. So that you can be well and live your life again. So you can sit up, not all the time lying down this way. So you can move around, go for your town's meeting. Like old times.
Thank you so much.
It is fine. It is fine, Papa.
Thank you very much, my son.
I don't know if
God,
this is right.
God will bless you a millionfold. Thank you.
Sir, I don't know if this would be the right time to say this, but I would like to, with your consent, of course, come here with my people so that we can pay Chama's bride price and fulfill all the marriage rights as it is with our custom.
As far as she agreed to the marriage, there's no problem, my son. No problem at all.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.